So, good morning, ma'am. So, here is my reaction with regards to your recent activity that you have given to us. So, I'll just make a reaction, ma'am, because my laptop is lagging. Lag kay siya, unya I can't proceed to any steps or to the steps nga maghimo og user interface design. So here it is. The biggest benefit of Xamarin.forms is that you can define the entire user interface of your application inside the project that you selected for sharing code, which can be either a .NET standard library or a shared project. Native apps for iOS, Android, and Windows that you get when you build a solution will render the user interface with the proper native layouts and controls on each platform. This is possible because Xamarin.forms maps native control into C# classes that are then responsible for rendering the appropriate visual elements depending on the platform the app is running on. These classes actually represent visual elements such as pages, layouts, and controls. Because the .NET standard library or shared project can only contain code that will certainly run on all platforms. So Xamarin.forms maps only those visual elements common to all platforms. So for instance, iOS, Android, and Windows all provide text boxes and labels. Thus, Xamarin.forms can provide the entry and level controls that represent text boxes and labels, respectively. So, however, each platform renders and manages visual elements differently from one another, with different properties and behavior. This implies that controls in Xamarin.forms expose only properties and events that are common to every platform, such as the font size and the text color. So Xamarin.forms allows the creation of user interfaces with visual elements provided out of the box. The user interface in iOS, Android, and Windows has a hierarchical structure made of pages that contain layouts that contains controls. Layouts can be considered as containers of controls that allow for dynamically arranging the user interface in different ways. Based on this consideration, Xamarin.forms provides a number of pages, types, layouts, and controls that can be rendered on each platform. So when you create a Xamarin.form solution, whether you choose a .NET standard or a shared project, the project you selected for sharing code will contain a root page that you can populate with visual elements. Then, you can design a more complex user interface by adding other pages and visual elements. To accomplish this, so you can use both C# and the extensible application markup language. Thank you.